Sharp, 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 sharp. Sharp, 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 sharp. Hi, today we're making a healthy snack that you can make for yourself at home.
We've been having this program for 4 years. It exposes them to careers that they may not have actually thought about, but it gives them a different perspective.
I love cooking at home. Love it, love it, love it. And my mom was just like, well, you know, Caldwell's going to do a culinary class. And I was like, really? And I joined, and ever since I joined, it's been so amazing. The way Chef is with us, he's like hard, but it's like he's soft, and he doesn't play when it comes down to cooking in the kitchen.
Coming from an urban area, you need more people helping out in the community, and that's what this is about. Being a mentor, a leader within my community, and just helping out, giving back to what I had before.
Because of this program, I actually love to cook more because it's like so fun being in here cooking with the people on my team.
If it ever comes down to it, then being a chef would be an amazing dream I would love to pursue.